We've always looked up at Mars and wondered. This red dot in the sky has fascinated us for centuries. Ancient people made up stories about gods and monsters around it. Early astronomers carefully watched its movements. The telescope helped us see Mars more clearly. We saw its ice caps and changing surface. People wondered if there was life on Mars. Could there be civilizations looking back at us? The space age started our quest to reach Mars. Robots became our explorers, traveling millions of miles to study Mars. We landed on Mars, drove rovers, and explored its craters. Each mission taught us more about Mars. Today, the dream of sending humans to Mars is stronger than ever. NASA and SpaceX are leading the way. NASA has a long history, and SpaceX is the new, ambitious player. Both want to make humans a multi-planet species, but they have different plans and timelines, making this journey even more exciting. NASA, the space exploration expert, is aiming for Mars. Their plan is a step-by-step journey based on years of research. They want to set up a lasting human presence on Mars, making us a spacefaring species. The journey starts in low Earth orbit. NASA's powerful SLS rocket will launch the Orion spacecraft designed to take astronauts farther than ever. The Gateway, a lunar outpost, will be a stepping stone helping us test tech and gain experience for Mars. NASA's approach is careful and safety-focused. They are creating advanced life support, radiation shielding, and habitats for Mars. Their timeline spans decades, with the first human missions planned for the 2030s or later. This careful approach shows NASA's commitment to safety and sustainability. They aim not just to reach Mars, but to stay there. Their goal is to build a permanent human home on Mars, creating a new place for humanity among the stars. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, wants to make Mars our new home. Their goal is big and daring, to make humans a multi-planet species. The key to this plan is Starship, a reusable spacecraft for trips to other planets. Starship is revolutionary. It can carry up to 100 people and cargo to Mars in one go. Its Raptor engines, using methane and liquid oxygen, will power the trip and can be refueled on Mars. SpaceX's timeline is fast. Elon Musk aims to land humans on Mars by the mid-2020s, much sooner than NASA. They move quickly and take risks, pushing space technology forward with each launch. Their approach is all about innovation and cutting costs. Reusable rockets and using Mars resources are key to their plan, making Mars missions sustainable and affordable. SpaceX's ambition has brought excitement and urgency to the race to Mars. NASA and SpaceX both want to reach Mars, but they're doing it in different ways. NASA plans everything carefully, focusing on safety and long-term goals. Their SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft show their engineering skills. With government funding, NASA can work on big projects with other countries. SpaceX moves fast and loves to innovate. Their Starship program, backed by private money, shows their big dreams and desire to shake things up. They focus on reusable rockets and quick testing to speed things up. Both methods have their strengths. NASA's careful planning ensures safety and reliability using their vast space experience. SpaceX's daring moves bring excitement and push tech boundaries. In the end, the race to Mars benefits from both. NASA's experience and SpaceX's innovation work together, bringing us closer to living on Mars. Section 5. The Red Planet Gauntlet. Challenges on the path to Mars. Getting to Mars isn't easy. Mars is a tough place for humans to live. Radiation is a big problem on the way and on Mars. Mars' thin atmosphere doesn't block much radiation. We need strong shields to keep astronauts safe. Distance is another challenge. Mars is about 140 million miles from Earth. It takes 6 to 8 months to get there, needing good life support and strong minds. Landing on Mars is tricky. The thin atmosphere makes slowing down hard, needing special tech. We need this tech to land safely. Section 6. Could we touch down sooner? The prospect of an accelerated timeline. Official plans say we'll get to Mars in the 2030s or later, but landing sooner is an exciting idea. SpaceX's big goals and fast tech progress are speeding things up. Their Starship program, focusing on reusability and using Mars resources, could make Mars missions cheaper and simpler. If they solve the technical and logistical problems, we might land on Mars sooner than expected. Global interest in Mars has led to more investments and teamwork between governments and private companies. This boost in money and expertise could speed up key technologies, possibly moving the timeline forward. But we must remember the huge challenges. Safety is crucial, and rushing could risk the crew's safety and mission success. A balanced approach, mixing ambition with careful planning, is key for a successful and lasting human presence on Mars. Section 7. Mars, a springboard for humanity's next giant leap. Landing humans on Mars will be a huge milestone in our history. It will start a new chapter, taking us beyond Earth and making us a multi-planet species. The discoveries on Mars will be incredible. Studying its rocks, air, and signs of life could reveal secrets about planets and life itself. Mars also offers a chance for a new beginning. We can learn from Earth's mistakes and build a society focused on sustainability and teamwork. Living on Mars will push us to innovate, leading to new ways to produce energy and manage resources. These new technologies will help future Martians and solve problems here on Earth too. Section 8. Beyond the horizon. Igniting the spark of exploration for generations to come. Going to Mars is more than just landing on another planet. It's about inspiring the next generation, sparking curiosity and pushing human limits. Picture a child looking at the stars, knowing people are on Mars. The effect on education, science, and our sense of what's possible would be huge. Mars exploration will also bring countries together, like the Apollo missions. Going to Mars can unite us and promote global teamwork. In a world often divided, aiming for Mars can remind us of our shared humanity and what we can achieve together. Section 9. A universe of possibilities, reflections on our Martian future. As we stand on the edge of this new adventure, we feel excitement and wonder. The trip to Mars will be tough, but the rewards are huge. It will test our creativity, lead to new discoveries, and inspire future generations. It's a sign of our unstoppable spirit, pushing us to explore the universe. Mars, once a distant light in the sky, is now within our reach. The journey will be long and hard, but the destination will be amazing. The future of humanity might be written in the red dust of Mars.